This is Stephanie from statisticshowto.com. In this video, I will go over a few problems that involve the probability of something not happening. I'm going to go over three different question types. The first type of question you're likely to encounter is one like this. If the probability a major hurricane will hit Florida this year is 0.49, then what's the probability a major hurricane does not hit Florida this year? We take 100% and you subtract the given probability. This is given as a decimal, it's 0.49. I'm going to change that to a percentage, 49%. That gives me 51%. If you don't want to deal with percentages instead of 100%, we could just say 1. And then we can subtract the decimal 0.49. And that will give you 0.51. That brings me to my second problem type. This time we're given 27% of Americans support universal health care. If an American adult is chosen at random, what is the probability they will not support universal health care? Well, we've got 27% this time, so we can subtract that directly from 100%. That gives us 73%. 73% of adults will not support universal health care. Unfortunately, figuring out the probability of an event not happening isn't always that easy. Got a slightly more complicated question here. We've got 12,942 construction workers injured by falling debris, a list of cities, and the question is asking if an injured construction worker is selected at random, what's the probability the selected worker will have been injured in a city other than Houston, Miami, or Denver? In other words, what is the probability the event did not take place in one of these three cities? Let's start by adding up the numbers. We're given a total of 12,942 construction workers, and we're given numbers of injuries. For Houston, we're given 219. For Miami, we're given 112. And for Denver, we're given 140. So let's add those up, and that gives us 471 injuries that happened in those places. In other words, 471 out of 12,942 injuries. This is a fraction. If I divide through, I'll get a decimal, and that is 0.0364. This is the probability that an injury will take place in one of those three cities, but we want the probability of it not happening, so subtract from 1. That gives us 0.9636, and I'm rounding to 4 decimal places here. That's how to find the probability of an event not happening. Check us out at statisticshowto.com for more videos and articles on everything elementary statistics.